Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps and mufflers. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 5 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 5 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 5, 3 times 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 and plus 2 extra stitches, 17 plus 2 edge stitches, 19. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front and purl these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in front and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Yarn in front, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit to 1 2. Now pick up these 2 loops of second stitch. This is second stitch, 1 2 second stitch and pick up this 2 loops. Now knit 3 stitches, 1 2 3. Now pass over these 2 stitches. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and make this pattern. This is 5 stitches pattern, 2 4 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? Knit 2, 1 2, yarn in back. Now pick up 2 loops of second stitch like this. Now knit 3, 1 2 3. Now pass over these 2 stitches. One more time, yarn in front, yarn in back, knit 2, 1 2, yarn in back and pick up these 2 loops of second stitch and knit 3 stitches, 1 2 3. Now pass over these 2 loops. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side, purl these all stitches. all edge from wrong side. Third row is completed and our pattern is fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like Gents half setup, full setup, baby setup. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.